Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wealth Window. Today, we are going to go talk about automating your finances. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can often feel overwhelming. That's where the concept of automating your finances comes into play. In this video, we'll explore the significance of financial automation and how it can transform the way you handle your money. You'll learn about the various tools and strategies available to streamline your financial tasks, from budgeting to bill payments. One of the key benefits of automating your finances is the time it saves you. Imagine not having to worry about missed payments or constantly tracking your expenses. Automation can significantly reduce stress, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your life. As we dive deeper, we'll also discuss the growing trend of financial technology, or fintech, and its relevance in today's economy. With innovative apps and services emerging every day, understanding how to leverage these tools can empower you to take control of your financial future. So let's get started on this journey toward financial freedom through automation. Automating your finances encompasses key components such as budgeting, bill payments, and savings. By automating these tasks, you can ensure that your bills are paid on time, your budget is adhered to, and your savings grow without constant oversight. There are numerous tools and apps available that can help you automate your finances. From budgeting apps like Rocket Money to savings tools like Acorns and Digit, these resources can simplify your financial management and provide valuable insights into your spending habits. However, before diving into automation, it's crucial to set clear financial goals. Understanding what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, will guide your automation efforts and ensure that your financial strategies align with your objectives. With the right approach, financial automation can be a powerful ally in achieving your financial dreams. Selecting the right tools can make a significant difference in managing your finances effectively. Popular apps like Rocket Money, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital each offer unique features that cater to different financial needs. Rocket Money is great for budgeting and tracking expenses, while YNAB focuses on proactive budgeting to help you allocate every dollar. Personal Capital, on the other hand, excels in investment tracking and retirement planning. When choosing a financial automation tool, consider the features that matter most to you. Look for user-friendly interfaces, customizable budgeting options, and robust reporting capabilities. Additionally, ensure that the tool offers secure data protection, as your financial information is sensitive. It's essential to reflect on your personal financial needs before making a decision. Are you primarily looking to budget, save, or invest? Understanding your goals will help you select a tool that aligns with your financial journey. By choosing the right automation tools, you can simplify your financial management and work towards achieving your goals more efficiently. Setting up automated payments for your bills and subscriptions can save you time and help you avoid late fees. To get started, first, log into your bank account or the website of the service provider you wish to automate. Look for the option labeled Bill Pay or Automatic Payments. Next, enter the details of the bill, including the amount, due date, and the recipient's information. Finally, confirm the setup and ensure you receive a confirmation email or notification. While automation simplifies your financial tasks, it's crucial to monitor your accounts regularly. This helps you avoid overdraft fees, which can occur if your account balance is insufficient to cover the automated payments. Keeping an eye on your transactions ensures you stay informed about your financial status. Additionally, take the time to review your subscriptions periodically. Many people forget about services they no longer use, leading to unnecessary expenses. By regularly assessing your subscriptions, you can eliminate those that no longer serve you, ultimately saving money and keeping your finances in check. Automating savings and investments. Automating your savings and investment contributions is a powerful strategy for building wealth over time. One effective method is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account or investment funds. By scheduling these transfers to occur right after payday, you ensure that saving becomes a priority rather than an afterthought. One of the key benefits of automating investments is dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. By doing so, you can reduce the impact of market volatility and potentially lower your average cost per share over time. Once you've set up your financial automation, it's essential to monitor and adjust it regularly to ensure it aligns with your evolving financial situation. Start by reviewing your automated transactions periodically. This practice helps you catch any discrepancies, such as unexpected charges or changes in subscription fees, and ensures that your budget remains accurate. As your financial circumstances change, whether due to a new job, a raise, or changes in expenses, it's crucial to adjust your automation accordingly. For instance, if you receive a salary increase, consider increasing your automated savings contributions or investment amounts to maximize your financial growth. To stay informed about your financial goals and progress, set aside time each month to assess your overall financial health. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your income, expenses, and savings. Additionally, consider setting specific milestones for your financial goals, which can motivate you to stay on track. By actively monitoring and adjusting your automation, you can ensure that your financial strategies continue to serve you well. In this video, we explored several key strategies for automating your finances, including setting up automated payments for bills and subscriptions, automating savings and investment contributions, and regularly monitoring and adjusting your financial automation. By implementing these strategies, you can save time, reduce stress, and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from automating their finances. Together, we can create a community focused on achieving financial freedom and success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.